video, we will learn English words and sentences. Imagine speaking English confidently, without hesitation, without fear. So get ready, grab a notebook, and let's level up your English together. And don't forget, watch till the end, because your favorite word might be waiting for you there. Part 5. Powerful vocabulary. Confident, sure of yourself. Confident, sure of yourself. She is confident. Nervous, feeling worried. Nervous, feeling worried. I feel nervous today. Brave, not afraid. Brave, not afraid. He is very brave. Calm, relaxed. Calm, relaxed. Stay calm in problems. Excited, very happy. Excited, very happy. I am excited for the trip. Tired, need rest. Tired, need rest. I feel tired now. Busy, not free. Busy, not free. She is busy today. Free, available. Free, available. I am free now. Strong, powerful. Strong, powerful. He is strong. Weak, not strong. Weak, not strong. I feel weak today. Smart, intelligent. Smart, intelligent. I am very smart. Clever, quick thinker. Clever, quick thinker. He is a clever boy. Creative, full of ideas. Creative, full of ideas. She is creative. Honest, truthful. Honest, truthful. He is honest. Kind, nice to others. Kind, nice to others. We are kind. Friendly, easy to talk. Friendly, easy to talk. They are friendly. Helpful, likes to help. Helpful, likes to help. She is helpful. Polite, respectful. Polite, respectful. Be polite to others. Rude, not polite. Rude, not polite. Don't be rude. Successful, achieving goals. Successful, achieving goals. Elon Musk is successful. Now tell me in the comments which word is your favorite. And if you want to speak English fluently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.